Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be doing Unity again. In this video we'll be doing 3D movement. So, I just made myself a player, as you can see, and ground. So, on the player, I've got a capsule collider, rigid body, play movement script, mouse look script, character controller, and now I've got a red material. And for the cube, it's everything that you would just get with it. So for the scripts, you can copy this in the link down below, and also this one. But this is what it looks like in your C# script. And this one, and that should all work correctly. So on your player, if we go down to player movement, we've got our controller, which is here, and we've got ground check, which is here, and I've set ground mask to ground by making a new layer up here, ground, and also mouse look, player body is over here, so I just drag that, put it in there, and you can change your sensitivity. I've got it as 100, and if we click play, so it now moves left and right, up and down, and we've got working look around. My frames are just a bit low because of the recording, but yours should be better. And if we unclick that, you can change all these settings to how you want them. You can edit the scripts, and yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.